Here's a sweet guitar. Not many people heard of them. I'm here to tell you, this thing is unreal. This is the one that was assembled in Japan. It's got low action, 22 frets. Just listen to it. This thing is like, it's one of the best guitars that I have in here. Got the different switches here for the pickups. Just listen to different tones. That's with none on. This is a back pickup, neck, middle, bridge. Could have two of them on. All three. It's a great guitar. This thing's it's worth more apart, but I can't. I just took this out of the case to take it apart because I'm bored today. I just couldn't do it.